How to download non-copyright songs on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Then, go to the search bar and type in ncs.io. Once the page loads, you will now be on the Tracks page. This website offers a large library of copyright-free music for content creators. Scroll to browse the music and tap on any song you wish to download. On the next page, locate and tap the Download Track button to start the process. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Tap on Download to save the file. After the download finishes, tap the Downloads icon located in the bottom address bar. As you can see, a small menu will then appear. From this menu, tap on the Downloads option. You can now see your downloaded song in the list. Tap on the file to access it. You can now play the downloaded song directly on your phone. Following these steps, you can easily download non-copyright songs on an iPhone.